Hello, my name is Alessa. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, we upload a new video every week. We do it every Friday. My goal is to help you understand and speak English fluently. Today we will talk about adjectives we use to describe anything we see, anything we want, our clothes, appearance, furniture, and things like that. We use adjectives to describe a noun. So, an adjective is a word that describes a noun and gives information about it. I would say that adjectives make everything more interesting because they give us information about color, about size, about feelings, and more.
It's an adorable, small, light brown, American Cocker Spaniel.
I love a green dress. This color is beautiful. So, green is an adjective that describes color. Now, let's look where an adjective sits in a sentence.
An adjective plus noun. A small house.
Most native speakers put the adjectives in the correct order in the sentence without thinking.
My big, fat Greek wedding. Big, fat, Greek are the adjectives. Wedding is the noun.
So, an adjective usually goes right before a noun it describes. It can also go right after a non-action verb such as be, look, smell, taste. They are called linking verbs. An orange smells good. The cake tastes delicious. Sometimes we use 2 or 3 adjectives before a noun. If the adjectives belong to the same category, the order is not important.
She is a nice, friendly, helpful person.
Nice, friendly, helpful, these adjectives are synonyms and they belong to the same category. Look, there is another example of using adjectives and the order of the adjectives is not important because they belong to the same category.
Alexander and the terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day.
But if the adjectives belong to different categories, we usually follow the order. Quality or opinion, size, age, shape, color, proper adjectives, maybe nationality, and purpose. Let's describe the chair and use 2 adjectives, wooden and ugly. Wooden is a material, ugly is an opinion. So, when you describe the chair, first you tell the opinion and then the material. And you say, this is an ugly wooden chair. So, when you describe something and use adjectives, start with your opinion. And you say, beautiful curly hair.
A gorgeous silk dress. A comfortable leather armchair.
Beautiful, gorgeous, comfortable. These are adjectives expressing your opinion. Look at the order of the adjectives when we describe furniture.
Big, old, round, wooden. Big is the size, old is the age, round is the shape, wooden is the material. This is a big, old, round, wooden dining table. This is a small, old-fashioned black Chinese dresser.
If you tell a native speaker, I've bought a cotton blue nice dress, he may be confused because it sounds weird. When you talk and describe your clothes, the order of the adjectives should be like this. I have bought a beautiful blue cotton dress. Put the adjectives in the following way.
She has a nice, long, black silk blouse. Nice is the opinion, long is the length, black is the color, and silk is the fabric. They are wearing short, blue denim dresses. She is wearing a short, black leather jacket.
A noun can sometimes be an adjective. It describes a noun, follows it. Look at this example. I sat on a bench in the park. Or you can say in a different way. I sat on a park bench. When nouns are used as adjectives, they do not change their forms. Like, the plane ticket was expensive. Now it's time to practice together. I will give you a sentence with two nouns and you should change the order of the nouns in this sentence. My sister works as a nurse in a school. Or you change. My sister works as a school nurse.
Have you seen the key to my car? Have you seen my car keys? I study the design of the furniture. I study furniture design.
I hope most of the adjectives are pretty easy to use. But I often hear the mistakes in using the adjectives with ing or ed endings. Let's get a closer look at these adjectives. We use adjectives with ed ending to describe your feelings. I'm bored. I'm interested in something. I'm excited.
Use adjectives with ing to describe things. The book is interesting. It is exciting. It is relaxing. It is thrilling. It is fascinating. The movie is boring. I was bored watching the movie. The party was exciting. We are excited at the party.
At the end of the video, I want to say that the order of the adjectives given in this video is not perfect. There can always be variation. And be careful, don't use more than 3 adjectives in a sentence. Have a nice, wonderful, relaxing day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe and like buttons, and see you soon.